If you are using Mac for your computer, there are some terminal commands that are useful for your everyday usage and are highly recommended to take advantage of them. The first one is mdfind, which you can use it for Spotlight Index to quickly search files and metadata from the command line. It's useful when you want fast and more powerful approach than Finder's search, which usually is a bit time consuming, and you can script it for automation as well. So for example, you need to use mdfind keyword. We go to our terminal. If you search for terminal here, you can have access to it, and then you go to one of the folders, for example downloads, and then I'll go for the keyword which is mdfind, and then I search for package.json. So you put the keyword mdfind, a space followed by a double quotation, and after that you put your keyword inside the double quotation and you close it, and then you hit enter. So as you can see, it makes a list of all of the places that this file could be available, and then you can easily go and find it. See, like here, and other places. So this is a very handy tool, and you can have a quick search whenever you want to look for something and you're in a rush. The next one is MDLS, which is for showing metadata attributes for a given file. For example, creation date, content type, keywords, format, resolution, etc. And it's useful when you want to inspect hidden file properties that Spotlight and Finder use, but don't always show. Here, we can choose one of these files. For example, headshot2, MDLS headshot2.jpg. Okay, so I searched for one of the images that I have here with this keyword MDLS followed by a space and the name of the file. So headshot2.jpg, as you can see, it shows all of the information: the color, space, RGB, creation date ranking, modification date, type, and so on. So you have access to a list of properties here. This is also useful when you are looking for something specific for a file, like the format or, for example, the width and height. It's easy and sweet. The next one is network quality, which is for internet speed tests. You can measure upload speed, download speed, and responsiveness or latency of your internet connection. It's useful. It's a built-in macOS command that gives you a quick, reliable speed test without needing a browser. Okay, so the command is network quality -v. Network quality -v. So you can see the downlink capacity is 135 megabytes per second. Responsiveness, which is the latency. All of the details that might be important, you have access here. So let's break down here. I want to give it to ChatGPT to give me some information about that. Capacity is uplink capacity. Your upload speed is uplink capacity. Downlink capacity is your download speed. And both marked accuracy high, which is results are reliable. Fellow count, which is number of parallel test stream used, 16 tests run. Byte transfer, actual data used during the test. And the latency, idle latency is around 27 milliseconds, ping time when nothing else is happening. Responsiveness is low, which is Apple's metric for how the connection handles load, which is how quickly it responds to interactive traffic while data is flowing. And 88 RPM, or around 675 milliseconds. And that's how low responsiveness means even though you have fast download speed, real-time apps like video call, gaming might feel laggy on their loads. The next one is top. So top, you have access to the system performance. You can display real-time information about running processes, CPU usage, memory usage, and system loads. And it's the quickest way to see which processes are consuming resources without opening Activity Monitor. This could be useful sometimes, but to have a quick look, but it's very messy, as we can see. And if you want the equivalent and maybe a better one, you can go to Activity Monitor, which is an application that you have already on the Mac. And you can see it's like a GUI, and you have access to like a graphical user interface, the list of applications, the CPU percentage that is consuming, and you have access to memory usage, energy, and everything. So this is the same thing. Most of us prefer this one, but that one is also sometimes useful for quick access. And yeah, that's pretty much all of the things that I wanted to mention in this video. If you're interested, I have more videos, and I'm a tech observer, hands-off kind of guy, and talk about all of the technology stuff here. I have 2 playlists, and I have a list of books here. If you are interested, you can have a look in different types of books that I have. It's about technology and business and everything that are related and have overlap. And so far I have 2 playlists here: AI Explained with Patience and Practice, and also another one which is a startup visa across the world. If you're interested, have a look, and see you in the next video.